In designs with strict limits on weight, clearance, or performance, it's easy for updates to violate design rules while going unnoticed, since they don't necessarily trigger errors. SolidWorks sensors can help you track these design rules automatically and flag any issues before they become real manufacturing problems. In this 2-minute tech tip, we'll show you how to set up sensors to track performance and alert you when your design drifts out of spec. This modular electronics enclosure houses a control board and supports various peripheral mounts. To compare an older, heavier design with a more lightweight material update, we can use a sensor to monitor the assembly mass as we make changes. This is especially useful when evaluating material choices for consumer electronics or compact enclosures, where weight can affect portability and handling. In the Command Manager, go to the Evaluate tab and select Sensor. Select Mass Properties, then check Mass, and set an alert if the value is greater than 150 grams. Now, anytime this assembly is modified, SolidWorks will warn us if the weight goes over the limit. In this case, our current material already exceeds that threshold, so the sensor immediately flags a warning in the feature tree. Let's switch to a lighter aluminum alloy. Rebuild the assembly, and the warning clears in the feature tree as the sensor updates. Without a sensor in place, this design violation could have easily gone unnoticed, potentially creating much bigger problems down the line. Sensors can monitor far more than just mass or dimensions. For example, in this assembly, we can use one to detect a mounting screw standoff, interfering with the enclosure wall. That's an issue that can sneak in if standoff sizes change, or if hole spacing shifts during design. To catch it early, we can add an interference sensor between the screw and the enclosure wall. Now, the moment they intersect after a rebuild, SolidWorks will flag it for us. It's a simple way to avoid fastener fit problems before they ever reach manufacturing. If you're running simulation studies, sensors can track maximum displacement or stress, so you know if your enclosure starts to warp or fail after a design change. It's an effective way to maintain safety margins without rerunning reports manually. You can also use sensors as constraints or goals during simulation optimization, helping SolidWorks automatically refine your design toward better performance. Whether you're a student learning to model within constraints or an engineer working under tight design targets, sensors help you automate design feedback and protect against costly errors by catching issues early. They're fast to set up, easy to adjust, and they watch your model even when you forget to. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our full course on Essentials for Assembly Design in SolidWorks to learn more about sensors and real-world testing tools.